Let me show you how to create this smooth caption text animation in Premiere Pro, and later I'll also show you how you can create automated animated captions within seconds. Here I'm in Premiere Pro. I already created a sequence. Make sure you're using 60 frames per second to get a smooth animation. First, type out any text using the Type tool by pressing T, and then adjust the text parameters to your liking. After that, go to the Effects tab and search for Text Animator. Now apply the Text Animator transition to the start of your text layer and adjust the duration to around 1 or 2 seconds. Now select the transition and go to Effect Controls. Click on Presets and select the Fade preset. To make the animation smoother, increase the Ease Out and Fade options to 100%. Now, in Animation Controls, set the Y push position to 70, and then scroll down to Advanced Controls. Set the object type to word. Then change the word bias so that only one word is affected. And now we've got this text effect. To create the out animation, select the transition and copy it. Then click on the end of the clip and paste the transition. Select the out transition, and in Effect Controls, set the push position to -70. Also, scroll down and disable left to right. Now you have this smooth text animation. You can animate multiple text layers the same way, but that will definitely take some time and modifications. This is where AutoCut comes in, a perfect plugin that helps you add animated auto captions within seconds. AutoCut comes with a lot more features, so let me show you how it works. Here is the landing page of AutoCut. I've mentioned the link in the description. First, download the plugin. You'll get a 14-day free trial, so make sure to check it out. Once you install the plugin, go to the window menu on top and find AutoCut. Once it's open, you can see all the features right here in one panel. I'm going to show you exactly how I use this plugin in my editing and how you can use it too. Let's start with AutoCut silences. As you can see in the timeline, I have an entire recording from one of my previous tutorials, and as you can see, there are a lot of silences here that I have to cut down. If I manually cut every silent part, it will take a lot of time. So instead, I'm clicking Auto Cut Silences. Now, in this panel, you can first select the entire timeline, in and out points, or even selected clips. For me, I'll go with entire timeline. Then choose your audio track and click Validate Sections. Now click on Generate Entire Preview, so you can see a real-time preview before cutting the original clip. Scroll down and you'll find the Noise Threshold option. You can adjust it manually, but I recommend clicking the Calculate by AI button for more accurate results. You can even preview the audio before applying the final cut to make sure everything sounds clean and natural. For the pacing, let's choose Jumpy. Then, in Silence Management, select Remove Silences. You can also see the transition settings here, where you can select J-Cut, L-Cut, or both. For now, I'll go with none. And finally, hit Cut and delete silences. AutoCut will start working on your audio, and literally, it took less than a minute to delete all the silences from my recording. Next, let's add auto-animated captions. Click on this hit, and in this panel, first select the audio track and timeline, hit Next, and then you can also select the language. Hit Next again. Here we have the Clean Captions menu. As you can see, we have many caption presets to choose from. If you don't find anything interesting here, click on Community Presets. Here you'll find a lot more presets. There are more than 1,000 caption presets available in AutoCut. All of these are clean animated captions. You'll also find caption styles inspired by famous YouTubers. You can simply select any preset and you'll have a real-time preview here as well. Now click on Import Preset and it will be added to your preset library. Now here's the interesting part. You can edit this caption style even further. You can literally customize everything from font colors to transitions and animations. Almost everything is editable, and you can even create your own custom presets to match your editing style. The real-time preview will help you adjust everything easily. Once you're done with that, here you can easily edit the transcript and make any corrections you need. At the top, you'll also find several settings that can help improve and enhance the transcript automatically. One of the best features is the translation option. With just a few clicks, you can translate your captions into over 80 different languages, making your content accessible to a much wider audience around the world. After that, simply hit Add Captions. It will start processing, and within seconds, your captions will be added to your timeline. It looks clean. I'm using a 4K resolution sequence, and the caption quality is still top-notch. Now here's the thing that makes AutoCut different from other plugins. Even after adding captions, you can still customize them. You'll have full control over the text customization. You can further edit the text, change fonts, colors, and everything else. So this is a great feature, and one of the things that makes AutoCut different from any other plugin. More than that, AutoCut has many useful tools that you can use to enhance your editing workflow. And these tools will definitely save you a lot of time. So speed up your editing workflow now by clicking the AutoCut link in the description below and edit 100 times faster than ever. So that's it for this tutorial. Make sure to subscribe for more amazing tutorials, and I'll see you in the next frame.